How to do AC service, Chevy Cruze, 2013. How to do AC service. How to do AC service. Okay. You have your high side here. That's that fitting. Your low side fitting is down here in the bottom under the intake tube. Under the intake tube, down there next to the alternator on the frame. Okay. So for reference, passenger side, look down. There it is. We're gonna take our line and we are gonna go down there. So how you install these is you want to push this up, that connector, the lock clip, push it up, push down with my thumb, seat it, make sure it's seated, and then pull it up, make sure it's, don't tug on it, but pull it, it's locked. Yay, you made it this far to the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so right here is going to be the micro relays. What I'm doing is I'm actually taking one out and swapping it with another one that's working. Like, for example, I'm swapping the horn with the AC clutch. And I check the horn, check relays and everything. And still no power. I'm like, okay, what's going on? So then I start checking fuses. And then I find one of the fuses keeps being popped. we are at the end of the video. So as you see here, the clutch, I have a code. I have 2 codes on the snap-on scanner. Pressure is too high and the clutch relay. So I double checked everything. Ran the test for the connector there, make sure there was power there. There wasn't any power. Double checked the fuse and relay, found that one of the fuses was busted and popped because the clutch was damaged in the inside. Where the clutch has like wiring going to it, so that was causing a short circuit, and it kept popping the fuse for the clutch. So every time I put a new fuse, it kept popping. So I went ahead and put a new AC compressor on it, and everything was working fine after that. But I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you guys wait to the end of this one, you'll see the playlist. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll be posting more videos here and there after I get more video content. I appreciate y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.